Simulating security monitoring. Left side is the control room. Wireless bridge and display device. Right side is the monitoring site. Wireless bridge and security camera. No wired connection between control room and site. TD1220 bridge uses combiner. Combiner has 3 ports. This is the DC port. This is the PoE port. This is the LAN port. Now power on the wireless bridge. We will also connect the combiner and power on the bridge on the right side. The products have been paired before leaving the factory and can be used immediately upon connection without any configuration. If it is necessary to reset due to project requirements or other reasons, the following steps can be followed for the pairing operation. With both bridges powered on, press and hold the pairing buttons on both bridges at the same time for 7 to 10 seconds. Bridges pair automatically. While pairing is in progress, connect the display device to the LAN port of the combiner in the control room. Connect the camera to the LAN port of the combiner at the monitoring site. Now just wait for the monitoring feed to appear. Fast forwarding. A real-time video feed is now showing on the monitoring display. Transmission performance is normal. The practical demonstration has ended. Thank you for watching.